Oh, it's raining. I thought I'd kind of like start at the what would you call it? The beginning of the allotment. Just have a little walkabout. This is a huge pile of wood chip and a huge pile of manure. And basically, that's my old car. That's the entrance to the allotment, and we kind of padlock ourselves in. It's all very high security. And then I normally drive down this track. I don't actually normally park here. Yeah, but people do. And we always get, this is often where we get a wood chip pile and a manure pile. Oh, look, pumpkins. It's kind of like a half a pumpkin hunt, inspired by the children yesterday. Nice pumpkins, and a few squashes. Yeah, so normally I would kind of drive along here because there's parking further along, but we're not going to do that today. We're just going to have a walk around because as it's raining, I 100% think that there's going to be nobody around, so it's just kind of nice to have a, have a walk around. An allotment walkabout. Why not? October allotment walkabout. Now normally, it curves nicely over here, and I don't know if you can get the kind of size of the place. And I don't actually know how many allotments there are. Might be worth, if I go right to the end, to see what the sort of highest number is. I've never walked down there, but that's where I would normally drive. And do you see, you might not see it, but that's, in fact you might, blue shed. Oh, I need my glasses on. Hold up. Can I see the blue shed? That's not it. I think it's difficult for me because it's a tiny screen. Just there. That's my allotment. I don't know if you can see that. I'll try and zoom in. I was on there. So I'm going to walk down here just because I can. Oh, yeah. Oh. Huge allotment, huge plots over there. Oh, I didn't know they had a water thing here. That's cool. Just looking at the pumpkins here. Wow, that one there, that doesn't look real. It looks incredible. Absolutely brilliant. Kind of nice little. Yeah. Just go onto the main path. Nice to have a bit of rain for a change. That's actually, that looks lovely. How neat and well looked after that looks. Cool. Really nice. Fabulous plot. It's like an oasis, isn't it? It's a school plot. That's pretty cool. I like that. Nice bench there to sit on. Wow. I think they must come here on a regular basis. I will go back and walk on the main path because I want to go to the end. Let's try and find the highest number, and we can sort of look left and right at plots. So the main road is just all the way down there in that tree tunnel, through the tree tunnel, and I love a tree tunnel. It always kind of reminds me when we used to go, when you used to go on holiday in some remote part of the world, well, not world, UK, into the countryside effectively, and drive through tree tunnels in like Devon or places like that where, there was country lanes. Lovely. I might put my bird app on. They're quite vocal. Right, hold on. Bear with. Just putting my... Oh look, I don't know if you can see that, sorry. This Saturday is October Big Day. Big Day? Join the global birding community by identifying birds around you on Saturday. Ah, that's in a couple of days' time. So I'm just recording it. Yeah. So that's where we've walked from. We walked down there. I will try and spot the plot numbers. Huge pile of manure someone's managed to have. I love this plot. This is a beautiful plot. It's got a lovely arch. Can you see that? Oh yeah. And fencing that she's created. This is all no dig as well. It's absolutely lovely. I mean, look, it's enchanting. Look, fresh in season, snails, pick your own. I'll zoom in on that. Really nicely done, this one. And I do like the way there's pots. I don't know if you can see that. With the names of the varieties. So that's number 19, this one. So we're in the, we really got to get to the end. Obviously, there's mine. Still listening for birds. What have we got? Oh, the robin, jackdaw and a dunnock. Cool. Fantastic pumpkins. We did see these the other day as the other ones, but I definitely hope to see some more sort of as I go further down. Oh, it's my plot. It's actually, yeah, I mean, look at this. I don't know if you can get a sense of the size. So that path all the way down and then along. Where that shed is the bottom of my plot, of both plots, and then along there to there. I hope that's obvious. Yeah. I mean, this is, remember what I was saying yesterday? I basically pushed back the wood chip. That's meant to be a path. I pushed back the wood chip. I've got to put fresh, because underneath that, believe it or not, was that. And that's what's actually disappeared. But it's these stubborn weeds that keep growing through that I'm thinking fresh cardboard hopefully will help. And I actually planted the garlic there yesterday. So all this rain that we've had has actually watered that, which is great. The beetroot, I don't know if you can see, is there. Oh, look, can you see that? Seedlings. That's, chives. Is there any more? Oh, and do you see that seedling? Oh, I don't know if you can see it because I haven't got my glasses on, but that's the lettuce. Yeah. And obviously with my shed, I need to get more paint, but until funds allow, I have to wait. So that needs painting, and then I need to deal with the back, so I can paint the back of it. But we're moving on. Do you know, I do really love this. It's got such character, and it looks lovely in my painting. I really love it. This is where all the hollyhocks were. And there we go, distance there. So we're kind of halfway, I guess. Yeah, just keep going. Still got just those 3 birds still, dunnock, robin and a jackdaw. I always like, this looks really neat and tidy, this one here. Some squashes, lots of squashes. Oh, we've got a pumpkin. Got a pumpkin. Pumpkin alert. It's got a decent size. Oh, more pumpkins. In fact, this is where I usually park here. Pumpkins, cool. That's a good one. And they're decent sized there as well. Fantastic. And really the end's right over there, so we're going to try, we're going to try and get to that. It's kind of narrowing a little bit, getting narrower as we go along. So, all the way along. Yeah, it's a pretty big site. But this is 42, so I don't know where I can I think, oh yeah, I can go down this way. That's obviously someone's plot there, so the path actually, there should be a path to the end basically, because obviously people need to be able to get to their own plot, so like a main, it's okay to walk on path. So that shed's number 47. Hopefully there's no one down here, because you actually can't tell. This looks like a main path. So I'm going to go down here. And you can see how close you are to the houses now. Back gardens. Can you imagine having one of these houses and just having no back gate into the shed? Oh, I can see the number 50. So this is like one plot, and that's the back wall of the allotment. So if I've seen the number 50, I think that indicates 50 full-size plots. Now I can't at the top of me remember what that actual size is, but I can work it out, and then because they split them so many, so you get 40, say you'd get 46A. Oh look, that's a good example. That's 46A and that's 46. So they've split a lot of the full plots in half back in the, when people didn't want to do full plots. Oh, there is someone here, I just spotted them. So the 50 is the highest number. Nice, quite nice down here, this way. You imagine it just very peaceful. I'll go back the way I came because there's someone digging in this rain. Can you believe it? Well, that was really good. I really enjoyed that. I've never actually walked all this distance. I mean, if there was someone here, I wouldn't come. It's slightly invasive. But while it's completely empty, that's absolutely fine. I'm not going on to people's plots. I'm walking on the sort of paths in between. Lovely. So that's the way I came through. I think I'm going to go along this way because this will lead me to mine, and then I've got to go to work. Yeah, I was just looking at that. That looked like a pebble, but it's a type of pumpkin. Yeah, I mean it's a pumpkin, just a certain variety. I know not which. I could hear the bells of the town hall. I think they were the town hall anyway. Oh, hello, that's my alarm. Oh, perfect timing. Oh dear, this looks a little bit in it. Yeah, can't get through there, or I'm going to get very wet. So let's go back to the main path. Get to the shed, and then I'll say my goodbyes. Yeah, well, say it now. I mean, thanks so much for watching. It's nice to walk along. I mean, when I do watch YouTube every day, and when you watch YouTubers talking to the camera while walking in high streets, and honestly, you've got your arm stretched right out like that, holding the camera, and I always think, oh, you must look quite odd when you look at it from someone else. But I suppose the trick is just not to worry about it. You're doing what you're doing, you know, but it's a mental thing really. You've got to sort of, but no one's here, so I'm feeling all, it's okay. But boy, my arm's starting to ache. Oh, and it's like someone said, when she I'm sorry, I can't remember who it was. I might pop it here because it's in the comments of the last vlog, saying, oh, she's watched me from the beginning and how far I've come. And thanks for that. That was so sweet, because it's true. I'm the type of person who doesn't like being photographed. If someone's taking a photo of me, I'll be like, oh, don't like my photo. And I always look like I'm grimacing. Sort of a self-fulfilling prophecy, I suppose. And my dad says, he can't, you know, he can't believe that I'm even filming myself. It's like, you know, because that's something I would never have done. Not in a million years. But watching YouTube for years and getting inspired by other people and thinking, oh, you know what? I like what they're doing. I really like what they're doing. And I could do something similar. It kind of, and so it's, you know, the same applies. YouTube is full of normal people, mostly. Normal. But, you know, really, yeah, that's what I really like about it. It's sort of average people, and that's not in a derogatory way. So, I'm at the shed, but I'm really not going to stay. I'm going to go back to the car and go to work, and I wanted to say thank you again for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.